Obi-Ani spin, it looks like this. Let's get to it. Minute 1's going to be our warm-up. Minute number 2, we're going to go back, pick up this lightsaber right here, and we're going to practice our simple spin for minute number 2, all right? I did a tutorial video on this, so if you're not getting it just from this right here, go ahead and click on that card right up there, and that'll take you to the simple spin tutorial. All right, so you're going to start here, okay? Your arm is out to your side, your feet are shoulder width apart, and we're going to point our lightsaber down, making sure that the lightsaber's hilt is inside of our arm, okay? We're going to bring the tip down, holding it onto with our thumb. So if you see right here, my thumb is actually grabbing the hilt and pressing against the rest of my hand. Then we're going to tilt this around and bring it back up, okay? So it's point it forward with the hilt being inside of our arm, bring it around so our thumb is gripping it against our hand and our palm is up, and bring it around. So that's the first part of our motion. So do that, practice it until you can do that pretty well, spin it pretty well. Again, if you're not getting it from this, the link is in the description actually to my simple lightsaber spin tutorial. All right, so now we're on to minute number 3. So minute number 3, we're actually going to transition this simple spin into a figure 8 spin. Again, I've got another tutorial on the figure 8. It's right up there, also linked in the description, but I'll go over it again right now, okay? So we start with our simple spin, right there. Basic simple spin. We're gonna do that a few times. Then we're gonna bring it around, and instead of bringing the hilt on the inside of our arm, we're actually gonna bring it on the outside of our arm. Okay, so we're here, outside of our arm. Practice it just from here one more time. Outside of our arm, so it's here, outside of our arm. Right, this is where you're gonna notice you're gonna need that stretch before, because this puts a lot right on these tendons right here. You're gonna feel a good stretch from this. From here, it's very simple. We just bring it back around, just like that, okay? Just dip it around, dip it around. There you go. Now we are on to minute number 5. So we're gonna take our figure 8 that we just learned, just like that, okay? We're going to do the same thing, except from right here, we're going to, instead of bringing this tip in front of us, we're going to bring it behind us, okay? And then we're going to tuck it up like this. So we want to make sure that the hilt, you know, that strongman, Superman pose, right? Where you got your hands on your hips like this. Do that except you're holding the lightsaber. So you're going to start here, right? Go up to there, right? One more time. Up to there. So we're going to go from our simple spin to what will be our figure 8, except we're bringing the lightsaber behind us and putting our fist up against our hip bone. Your hip bone's right here, okay? Now, from here, we're going to kind of let this drop around, okay? So we're going to let the blade of the lightsaber drop around our body. Now, just try to make sure that it doesn't fall down like this. Try to make sure it falls away from your body. So notice how the tip is right by my head, right here. Try to make it fall away from your head, okay? Away from your head. We're gonna keep doing that. Now, we're on to minute number 5, and it's time to put all of these together. Okay, so we spun this. We're going into this, we're bringing it up here. We're letting it fall away, and we're going, instead of actually hitting, we're not going to actually hit our hip with our fist. We're going to just barely miss it each time. So from here, it's really simple. Once you've had it falling away, you just bring it back around like you would normally do on your figure 8. It comes back around, and there you go. That is the Obi-Ani lightsaber spin in just 5 minutes. If you learned how to do these two, definitely go leave a comment, go post it down there. While you're down there, again, those like, subscribe buttons, that bell is so often missed. It's very, very low, and you gotta click that bell. You gotta do it. Do it. Do it. All right, everybody, we've reached the end of the video now, so until next time, may the Force be with you. Do it.